Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can generate images in Terminal GPT. This terminal, we already installed this terminal in our Kali Linux, so if you don't yet installed it, you need to go to see that video that show you step by step how you can download and install Terminal GPT in your Kali Linux. So after the downloading the Terminal GPT, you can do many things like generate images, like create codes, and find the solution that you have in problems that you have in your terminal of Kali Linux. Maybe if you don't know something, just you can ask in Terminal GPT inside Kali Linux about all problems that you have, then you will find the solution for them. So in today's video we are going to see how we can generate an image in this terminal. So let's get started. First we need to go back to the home like this, ls, and as you see here we have our TGPT. We need to access to the terminal, cd TGPT, press enter, and now we type this command to generate an image. Just write TGPT -img, and here you need to write the description of something that you want. For example, a lion at the top of the mountain. Okay, and after you pass your description of any image that you want to generate, press enter, and you need to wait a moment. And the generating images is finished, and as you see we have got 9 images. So these images are saving in our current directory in a folder, so we need to access to this folder to see the images that we get. So for this we need to use just ls, and we look at the description that we make is this one, a lion at the top of the mountain. We make a copy for them, and we need to access to this file. We make paste here for our description, press enter, ls, and as you see we have here the images that the Terminal GPT are generated for us. So to display these images, just type fish like this, FEH, and press enter, and as you see our image are here. So this image you can use these images for something. As you see the quality of images is good. Yeah, remember that if you give a very good description, it will make for you better image, you know. As you see our images are available now, and we can go to the folder and make a copy and use these images in something. So yeah, this is all of today's video, and thank you so much for watching. If you have any question, I am here to work together to help each other to find a solution for any problem that we have. Thank you so much.